The upcoming episode of Pati Brahmachari is all set to deliver one of the biggest emotional twists the audience has witnessed so far. The mystery surrounding Dada Bhai is finally reaching its turning point, and the truth that everyone has been waiting for is about to shake every relationship in the story. For a long time, Isha has been searching for the mysterious Dada Bhai. Every clue, every incident, and every unexpected twist has pushed her closer to finding the truth. As an honest police officer, she has only one goal: to arrest the person responsible for creating fear and confusion. She believes that no one is above the law, and she is ready to face any challenge to complete her mission. However, fate has prepared something that Isha could never have imagined. On the other side, Suraj has been carrying a painful secret deep inside his heart. Living with two different identities has become more difficult with every passing day. He knows that lies can never last forever, and one day the truth will stand before everyone. Instead of waiting for someone else to expose him, Suraj decides that the time has come to reveal everything himself. With a heavy heart but unwavering determination, Suraj once again wears the attire of Dada Bhai. This time, he is not hiding behind the disguise. Instead, he is ready to accept every consequence that follows. His decision is not driven by fear but by the belief that the truth must finally come out. A grand gathering is organized where people welcome Dada Bhai with respect and admiration. No one in the crowd realizes that this gathering will become the stage for a shocking confession. Every eye is fixed on Dada Bhai, unaware that within a few moments, everything they believe will change forever. Meanwhile, Isha arrives at the location with complete confidence. She has convinced herself that today will mark the end of Dada Bhai's story. She is carrying handcuffs, fully prepared to arrest the mysterious figure she has been chasing for so long. But destiny has something entirely different planned for her. The moment Isha enters the gathering, she notices Dada Bhai standing in front of everyone. She moves forward without hesitation, determined to complete her duty. However, as she looks closely at the face hidden beneath the familiar appearance, her entire world begins to fall apart. Standing before her is not a stranger. It is Suraj. For a few moments, time seems to stop. Isha is unable to speak. Her hands begin to tremble, and countless memories rush through her mind. The man she trusted, the man she loved, and the man she dreamed of spending her life with is standing before her as the very person she has been searching for. The crowd watches in complete silence, sensing that something extraordinary is about to happen. Instead of trying to defend himself or escape, Suraj calmly walks toward Isha. His face reflects neither fear nor regret. It reflects acceptance. He has already made peace with whatever lies ahead. Slowly, he stretches both of his hands toward Isha. In a calm yet emotional voice, he says, "Go ahead, arrest me. The Dada Bhai you've been searching for all this time is standing right in front of you. I am the person you wanted to bring to justice." The shocking confession leaves everyone speechless. No one expected Suraj to reveal his identity in such a fearless manner. The silence becomes heavier than words as every person present struggles to understand what has just happened. For Isha, this is the most painful moment of her life. She is trapped between two impossible choices. On one side is her responsibility as a police officer who has sworn to uphold the law without showing favoritism. On the other side stands the man she loves more than anyone else. Her heart refuses to believe what her eyes have just witnessed. Questions begin racing through her mind. Was everything Suraj ever told her a lie? Was his love genuine? Why did he choose to become Dada Bhai? Did he hide his identity to protect someone? Or is there an even bigger truth that no one has discovered yet? Suraj remains completely calm. He makes no attempt to explain himself immediately. Instead, he silently waits for Isha's decision, knowing that this single moment could change both of their lives forever. Many fans believe Suraj may have become Dada Bhai for a noble reason. Perhaps he was protecting innocent people from a dangerous enemy. Maybe he sacrificed his own reputation to expose a much larger conspiracy that has remained hidden until now. If this theory proves true, the story could take an even more dramatic turn. Isha may realize that Suraj's actions were never motivated by selfishness but by a desire to protect those he cared about. However, if Suraj truly kept such a massive secret from the woman he loves, can their relationship ever return to what it once was? Trust, once broken, is never easy to rebuild. The emotional confrontation between Suraj and Isha promises to become one of the most unforgettable scenes in the entire series. Every expression, every word, and every moment of silence will carry deep emotional weight. Will Isha place the handcuffs on Suraj despite her love for him? Will she choose her duty over her emotions? Will Suraj finally reveal the complete truth behind his secret identity? Or is an even bigger twist waiting that will leave everyone completely shocked? One thing is certain, the upcoming episode is filled with suspense, emotional drama, unexpected revelations, and powerful performances that fans simply cannot afford to miss. What do you think will happen next? Will Isha arrest Suraj? Or will she first uncover the real reason behind his hidden identity? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review and want daily updates about Pati Brahmachari, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another exciting update.